YouTube, this is Chuck Reynolds, and welcome you to my channel again. If you haven't been here before, thank you for stopping by. So this morning I'm going to season this new little crucible. And you can see these are getting pretty well used. They've all got lots of junk in them, and so I'm going to season this one. I'm going to use borax again, and this is the borax. And somebody asked me what's in it, and what's in it is borax. So I don't know what to say. Borax is borax. So there we are here, and then I'm going to try to remelt this little guy and this bigger one. We'll see. So give me a little bit and I'll be back. Alright guys, so the torch is set up. It's not ready to go yet, but it's set up. And the way I do mine usually, and I'm going to do it today, is I preheat the crucible first to get any moisture out of it, if there is any. And with the ceramic, there usually isn't any. The bone crucibles are a little different, and these are all bone. Yep. No, that one isn't. It's ceramic. Anyhow, so we'll do that. We'll preheat it, then we'll put the borax in, then we'll melt the borax and coat the inside of the crucible. That is the plan. So let's see. Let's get after it, huh? Well, that's interesting. That was kind of spooky. Okay, hold your ears. You can see it's a little shiny already, which is kind of unusual, but we'll take just a pinch of borax. The pinch is more than enough. Okay, so I don't melt all of this. I'm going to get this borax out of the way, and we'll go after this guy. There's a bigger piece, and this was a lead melt, a lead and gold melt that didn't work out too well, it doesn't look like. So we're going to start and do him now, and wait just a minute, I've got to fix my torch here. Be back. Alright guys, so change positions here a little bit so you get a little bit better view of this anyhow. So this is going to be an attempt. I don't know if it'll be successful, but we're going to try. Gold gets hot pretty quick, so I'm going to put just a touch more borax on them. I can see it around the edge a little bit, but we'll just put a little bit more. Maybe I can get rid of some of that junk that's there. I'm hoping. So it's definitely hot. Let it sit there for a second. That's real hot. Can't get a bite of it. Oh, I see, my crucible didn't hook. That's okay. That's okay. We'll eventually get it. Got to get it out of all that borax. That looks better. That was really hot. That was real hot. So, let's see. Can I touch it out? Yeah. So, there's still lead on this. A lot of lead. Wow. I'm going to try something. I'm going to hit it on a wire wheel here and see what it does. Okay, so I don't see much. It looks like gold in there. So we're going to play with it here a second. Oh, maybe we are, maybe we aren't, huh? Well, gold and lead are both soft. Not soft enough for those. Let's see. Let me get another tool and. Oh, man, that's hard. This is all lead. I don't want to mess with it anymore. I'll tell you what. The reason this looks like lead is because that's what it is. That's all lead. So, no good. No goodly. I think I've got another one in here that's similar. Well, this one actually looks like gold though, so we're going to try him. He's rough on the outside. Okay, once more. That's going to change much, but try to cool it now. funny looking one, ain't it? Not real cool either. Huh. I think these were both tested with lead and gold together to make a solid piece. Of, I don't know how well you can see that, but it's goldish in color. And hit it on the grinder, and you can see here this whole edge is gold. Right here, this whole edge, that edge, that edge. It's just going to be a case of getting. The borax has a tendency to, how do I say this, pull the impurities out. Well, this particular borax is borax glass NAB 407, technical grade for laboratory and industrial use. And it appears to react just a little bit different. So we're going to be done for today. I've hit both of these with the wire wheel, and they're better. They're not good. Crucible season now, and it'll be good for the next few. And we're going to take these and have them, our gold buyer, maybe take them and get them on an XRF machine to see if there's any gold or how much gold is in it. If it's just 10 karat or it's 12 karat or 14 or whatever the heck it is. So that's it for this one. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, come back again, give it a great comment. And thank you so much for watching. This one was a little bit hokey at times, but it came out all good. So you stay safe and stay blessed out there. Pray every time you get a chance.